completed my BE Mechanical Engineering, and after the completion of engineering, I wanted to switch my career from engineering to another field. Then I came to know about the digital marketing. So I learned digital marketing in Kallada Academy, and apart from that, I am a fresher.
Oh,
The main, like, I felt the more advantage in digital marketing is you can work only through your laptop, and you can work as a freelancer. It gives you more opportunities than working in a job or in a company. You can also work I mean, you can work in company also, but the digital marketer job gives you more confidence, and it gives you it boosts your self confidence as you can work as a freelancer, and there are many opportunities in after learning of this course. Before learning, I have zero confidence. Like, I will be thinking what I will be doing after engineering. Anyway, I took digital marketing course, but after the completion, will I get my confidence back? Will I get the path to my career? But once I learned this course, I am very confident right now, so that I can work as a freelancer as well as an employee in the company.
yeah.
I was once I decided to learn digital marketing. I was checking in through Google. I went to a number of academies for digital marketing course, but the Kallada Academy. Why I choose this? Like, I like the font. Like, the first impression is the best impression. I feel like while googling also, the Kallada Academy font and the design makes me very impressed. Like, I impressed by that. Then I think Praveen is his name, if I'm not wrong. He
Yeah.
called me and explained the career opportunities and career growth. What is the digital marketing? How can you go through in digital marketing? And as an added advantage, I also my passion is movie making. I have completed 2 short films, so I am bit in. Thank you. So digital marketing is somewhat related to creative field. So I thought I have a little bit of creative in myself. Then the explanation of Praveen was wonderful and beautiful. I really got I really got impressed with this speech and explanation and the career growth in digital marketing. How can you be in top digital marketing, etc., etc. Then he sent me the modules and PDF and ebook for Kallada Academy. I felt very impressive, so I chose the Kallada Academy.
Okay,
and
that's
the
really nice.
and the pricing as well. It was
Yes.
very less comparative to other academies. And I thought the first doubt which I came to me was, the Kallada Academy is providing the course at very less cost. Will it be qualitative? But later on, attending 1 or 2 sessions, I felt no one can give this much of information better than this. I have got some reviews, like, once you get in the course and purchase the course, there will be less response from the institute or academy. They will regret you completely, and they will not respond to you. Like, I have went in some other academy or institute, but the Kallada Academy did not give a single impression of that. Anytime they will be very quick responsive to our messages or text. Priyanka, you have arranged many one-to-one sessions with our mentor and the guide. So they are very very responsive and very quick reactive. They know the importance of the students, or students who have joined and took this course. So they will be very reactive. That I feel very happy about the institute.
Okay.
One is the quality of teaching and experience.
Okay.
I personally prefer that teaching only about the course is not important. You have to share personal experience and the experience of this platform also. Like, teaching will be done through, you can learn through this course in YouTube also, but the experience will not be shared in any platform. So I prefer Kallada Academy for sharing the own personal experience and about the how this course improves you. Well. So I prefer this for sharing the personal experience and as well as the best quality teaching of this course. If I want to tell my colleagues, engineering students, if you don't have any idea like what you will be doing in your career or in your future, please, I ask you to take digital marketing as your career, because right now the digital marketing is at its peak, and it will be going on increasing as I know. So it will be best to choose a digital marketing not only be about the career growth. You can work as a freelancer. Right now I am doing I'm working as a freelancer for content writing. So you can push through your career to freelancer, and you know, main thing is you will gain confidence. Overall in low self confidence you will feel. So I am handling whole the concept of digital marketing as an individual. So it will give confidence it will give you confidence. So yeah, I prefer, if you have nothing idea what you will do, please take digital marketing as your career, and I am sure you will success in it. Trustworthy and money worthy.